But Amanda, what are you thinking about that back out at the wall?
What?
Rain, because we do have some rain coming into our forecast very shortly, but we'll get to that in just a second. Current temperatures across the region looking pretty mild right now for 6:30 p.m. 88 degrees in Tallahassee and also in Albany. A little closer to the coast, they've got a sea breeze keeping them cooler. Apalachicola at 81, Panama City at 82 degrees. Now, as far as our high temperature today, you saw that we were at 88 right now. Well, that's as high as we got today. 88 degrees was indeed our high, right on par with where we should be. Even our low temperature right on par, 66, and average low temperature for this time of year being 67 degrees. Now, here's a little fun thing I want to show you. Right here in Tallahassee on our humidity map, we're kind of in a sandwich right now. We have a 94% humidity over in Jacksonville to our east, and also to our west we have these much higher humidities right along the coast as well. 82% humidity in Panama City, 72 in Apalachicola. And that's actually due to two systems that are going to be impacting our weather. We have two pools of moisture that are moving towards us and bumping up our rain chances over the next few days. Now, our upper and mid-level moisture map definitely looks a lot different than it did last week. Remember last week we were seeing all this dry air sitting over our area? Well, right now we see lots of moisture in these purples and these light gray colors. And in fact, there are two areas, like I mentioned, right here is a frontal system that's going to stall out over our area, and the moisture with that system is being enhanced by some flow off the Gulf. And also we have an area of disturbed weather off to our east that's going to be bringing some rainfall into our area over the next few days. So here's what it looks like on our satellite and radar. All that green stuff is that rain that we need so badly right here in Tallahassee. And we are expecting this rain to come in the form of afternoon thunder showers, and we could see over 1 to 2 inches accumulation over the next couple of days. So don't expect that rain all at once, but it will be great for our area because it'll take a long time to seep into the ground, and that's exactly what we need. So what does that look like? Well, here's that frontal boundary that I mentioned. That's going to move its way into our area starting tomorrow. Here it comes, and it's going to stall out as soon as it reaches the southeast. And again, with enhancement off the Gulf, we're going to bump those rain chances up, and that's great news for everyone's lawns and everyone's gardens. So breaking it down a little further, tonight what can you expect? Well, we're going to be in the lower 70s overnight. That rain won't quite start, but the humidity it will be on the increase. Like I mentioned, that sandwich, it's going to be getting smushed right over top of us. And for tomorrow, what can you expect? Well, temperatures will be a little cooler than we saw today, just a few degrees cooler, but that 40% chance of rain, that is the big story. Afternoon showers tomorrow. Don't forget your umbrella. It may look like you won't need it in the morning, but by the afternoon you will be wishing that you had it. And over the next 7 days, well, again, as that frontal boundary stalls out and sits over our area, those rain chances are going to stick around right through the end of the work week, clearing up by the time we hit the weekend with some much cooler temps. And I know I'm ready for those cooler temps. Are you, Jason?